The Kenya Revenue Authority has destroyed counterfeit products worth £1 million shillings that were seized and stored at a customs warehouse that's in Eldoret town since last year. Now, KRA Deputy Commissioner, who is also the North Rift Regional Coordinator, that's Florence Utori, presided over the destruction of the goods at the Moi Teaching and Referral Hospitals, that's an incinerator that's in Eldoret town. Now, the goods were condemned for non-compliance of various guiding laws.
Against imports that can be injurious to our health, injurious to our moral standings as a society, and also that can give rise to criminal activities.
All the imports and exports that come in and leave our country must comply to stipulations of the necessary laws.